Guys, so I'm just starting out with a curved tumbler. I already prepped it with vinyl sand and let it dry. So just using this red color, I just kind of wanted to make it a little like blotchy with the different colors. So you'll see how I kind of just do that and just kind of spray randomly with the three colors. And this is Colonial Red. And then taking the ink blue and just kind of adding to that and kind of making it just random and splotchy. Then taking the Rust-Oleum metallic silver, just adding to it, and I think this actually turned out really cool, like just how the spray paint is just randomly on there and just the different colors. I really liked how it turned out. I wasn't sure what I was going for, but I think it looks really cool. So then after that was dry, I took some Mod Podge and just some different glitters. I wasn't really sure how it was gonna go. I just kept adding some Mod Podge and different glitter until I was happy with it. So then I started adding this, I think it's like a kind of silver holographic, but it's almost like a little purpley, and it's a chunky mix. I started adding that and then it morphed into more of like a geode look. So you'll see I kind of add this silver and then I add like just a smaller cut silver in it too. And these glitters are just like test ones, so they're not available, but maybe you'll see something soon. But yeah, just kind of adding as I went. And like I said, I didn't really have a clear picture of what I was doing. I just knew I wanted different colors of glitter in different spots. And it kind of ended up more geode-y looking than I was originally planning, but I really like it. And I thought it would be really cute to do this patriotic cup. I never used to be a really patriotic person. I just didn't really care about any of it. And the last couple of years, I've been really a lot more patriotic and just kind of really appreciating the country that we live in and the freedoms that we have, and kind of just wanting to show my support for all of that. And I thought it'd be really fun to do a cup. So that's kind of where the inspiration for this cup came from. then just adding some Artisan fast set epoxy. And I believe I did 2 layers before the decal, but like always, just spread it on and let it self-level for a few minutes and then torched it. So once those 2 layers were done, I have my decals cut out. And I think this is like the first time I did a different color offset. And I wish I would have done it a little smaller, but just, you know, learning as I go. And I wish I would have put it up a little bit higher too, because the curve kind of made the decal like want to fold, and I had a little bit of trouble with that. So if you have any tips for how to get like your decal on like a curved cup, let me know, because I feel like everyone does it and does all these cool things, and then I go to do it and it looks dumb. Like I mess it up, and I want to know all the secrets. So let me know. So then here's the red patriotic decal going on. And then the Babe decal, and I used a holographic vinyl for that. Then I also cut out a little cute flag in the holographic vinyl and put that on the bottom, just to add a cute little detail. So then I did one more layer of the epoxy and she was done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.